The sea is vast, uncompromising, answerable to no man, or king, or worldly power. Yet men use ships to tame the untamable and ply across rivers and seas, to travel and to trade. Quality maintenance of these ships and the safety of people on board are ever-growing necessities for the sustainability of the maritime industry. They say necessity is the mother of invention, and thus the birth of what is today known as the highly successful group of companies, GroupNautika.
Think beyond the possible. It's a powerful tagline to live up, isn't it? No? But really, we mean every part of it. We work tirelessly to achieve what most people in Bangladesh might think is impossible. From a career out at sea, commanding ocean-going vessels, to one ashore as a marine surveyor and consultant, I felt a serious need for quality marine services to comply with the SOLA standard. With the encouragement of the then Maritime Administration, I took to train some select individuals and establish companies to provide quality maritime services in marine electronics and marine safety. This is how Marine Electronic Service and SeaSafe made their humble beginning 31 years ago. Since then, our growing portfolio of 6 companies houses more than 50 engineers, technicians, and surveyors trained at home and abroad.
We ensure what we do is up to date with the latest maritime regulations, and the services conforms to the strict standard followed by the leading classification society. I have a great team of engineers who show utmost responsiveness to inquiries of customers and vessels and are able to resolve them within very short notice.
In the 7 years that I've been with this company, we have serviced over hundreds of different types of marine electronics equipment.
Yes, the learning curve here is very steep. I have learned to build my career as an engineer after I started working for MES. The knowledge and support that I have received so far is fantastic.
We have the largest integrated marine life-saving and firefighting service station in Bangladesh with state-of-the-art training and back office facilities.
We advise our customers with life-saving and firefighting equipment and solutions to comply to IMO and DG shipping regulations.
So aligned with our emphasis on the highest quality standards, as you can see that we have a state-of-the-art workshop facility and we have round-the-clock availability of highly experienced and class-certified welders who can look after major fabrications and ship repair works.
We operate in all 4 verticals of the maritime services industry: ocean-going vessels, naval ships, inland and fishing vessels. The number of equipment and services required in each of these verticals are quite vast. Our capabilities to understand our customers' requirement in each of these sectors is our forte. Many of our level 4 engineers are trained overseas at equipment manufacturers' facilities. This certified knowledge is passed on to the level 2 engineers to upgrade their skills on a much higher level. All of our companies are periodically audited by the Mercantile Marine Office and the major international classification societies to ensure that our services comply to a very high international standard.
When I first joined GroupNautika, I had little knowledge about the technical services that we provided to Bangladesh Maritime Cluster. It's safe to say it has been a learning experience so far, and I'm still learning something new every day. In the last 3 years, GroupNautika recorded a strong double-digit revenue growth.
thanks to our sustainable revenue growth policy. This policy requires us to reinvest a significant portion of our group's annual revenue in order to ensure future revenue growth. We have made that investment in technology, infrastructure, and skilled workforce, which in turn enabled our group to expand its supply and service capabilities into new market segments. We are very committed towards maintaining transparency and accountability in our financial reporting, as it helps our management team in informed decision-making and serve our stakeholders' interests.
We strive to provide the high quality of service our customers deserve. This quality is required for maintaining the confidence of our clients in our products and services and in upholding the name of our country in the maritime world.
Through constantly evolving technologies and innovations, we learn to use the 5 senses that we were born with to create more, opening doors to a more prosperous maritime future in Bangladesh and beyond. GroupNautika. Think beyond the possible.